Namaste fellas. In this video, I'm going to share one of the projects that I worked on recently, which was about building a waitlist website for G Conversations. I'll be sharing my process from scratch. So stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1 is to understand the brief. The person from G Conversations explained that they are building a platform which is designed to bring back meaningful connections in a world saturated with superficial interactions. Hence, I got the idea that they are trying to build a waitlist page to launch their networking application. Next steps. I went into the document that they have shared for the content that they want to be listed on the website. And here it is. Way too much, right? That was my initial reaction. We are not just designers, we are crafting experiences. And for a waitlist website, this is a lot of content. People nowadays have very limited attention span, and we can't expect them to spare so much time and go through all this content, that too for a platform that is yet to come. So for next steps, I went ahead and connected with the person to discuss how we can work around the content to make it more concise and easy to consume. We decided on limiting the content to just headline, subtitle, call to action, statement, 3 pointers to explain why they need to join the waitlist, and again, end with a call to action. For next step, we need to figure out how we are going to make this website live. Either we can hire a developer that can code our design, or we can use websites like Wix to create our own website from scratch. We chose the easy option and went ahead with Wix. For the next steps, we needed to decide whether we are going to use the already available templates on Wix, or are we going to design our own website. Though Wix had a lot of good options, but nothing really appealed to us for this particular request. And hence, I decided to move ahead and create my own design and then build it from scratch in Wix. So for the next steps, when I have decided that I'm going to go ahead with Wix and create my own design, which will be built up in Wix, I went ahead into Illustrator and started designing the website. And here it is. I gave this website a very catchy caption which says "Conversations tailored for you." And instantly one can understand, okay, what this website is all about. And then the subtitle says "Deeper Relationships with Good Old Conversations." And then we have the call to action button which says "Join Waitlist." On the right hand side, I wanted to show happy faces which interacts with the viewer. I wanted to add emotion to this particular website, and hence for the right hand side of the hero image, I created a grid of happy faces. And to exaggerate the emotion and add some style and twist to this particular website, I also added smileys via white lines. Moving ahead, I didn't want it to be a very basic kind of a website, and hence instead of going for a horizontal line, I added the twerkiness to this website by having a slant line, a diagonal line instead of basic horizontal line. And then we have this statement that says "Sign up for our waitlist today and you'll be the first in line to receive our secret app download link when we launch." And here it says what you need to do, what you can expect, and what is it all about. And then we move on. We wanted to add 3 sections which says why you should be joining or the early bird benefits. And following the norm and style, we are still playing around with the diagonal lines and directing the audience throughout the page. And that's the basic structure that I have created for this website. Now all I need to do is to make this design happen in Wix. And here is the final website that we have in Wix now. For this, I didn't design this particular section in Illustrator because I wanted to save my time, but I had the idea like what all I wanted in this section. So I wanted to add some illustrations in this section and also highlight that, okay, you are going to get 3 benefits when you join. Or what are you really trying to solve by joining the waitlist? Moving ahead, we wanted to sum it up with again a call to action button in case someone hasn't clicked on the one that we have offered towards the start. And that's a very simple yet effective waitlist page that I have designed for G Conversations. And this is how I converted mere text into an amazing looking website. I really like the concept that G Conversations is bringing, and I have signed up myself to the waitlist. Feel free to go ahead and explore the website at gconversations.com. Feel free to sign up yourself for their waitlist in case you are also interested for bracing yourself for a journey from social media to soulful conversations, rekindling the magic of genuine human connection. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know how did you find the design. Until then, hasta la vista, cheero.